Okay guys, here's our fourth trigram, Qian, water. Qian have the features of cold, flow, liquid, dark, wet, damp, invisible, or very hard to detect, sneaky or shady. The location is at north, and the places like ocean, lake, aquarium, jail, cold storage room, drink bar, bathroom, and a brothel can all represent Qian. The corresponding color for Qian is black, and the related element is water. Figures for Qian are middle-aged male, philosopher, psychologist, painter, mathematician, fabricate, printer person, drug or alcohol addict, thief, fisherman, or scammer. For personality, Qian means careful, thoughtful, strong adaptability, easygoing, late bloomer, calculating, cunning, and dissipated. The representative objects are water, oil, alcohol, ink, poison, fridge or freezer, calculator, tape, disc, soup, submarine, wheel, seafood, transportation, or handcuff. The presentative organs or body parts are kidney, bladder, and genital. For our sixth trigram, Li, or fire, features for Li are warm, hot, bright, dry, flammable, visible, colorful, and reticulated. Li is located at south. The geographical location could be volcano, gallery, library, exhibition center, power plant, school, TV station, kitchen, balcony, and beauty salon. The related color is red, and the Li's element is fire. Li represent the figures of middle-aged female, artist, beautician, teacher, bride, or scholar. The related personalities for Li are passionate, educated and reasonable, appearance-oriented, flattering, dignified, and easily gets agitated. The representative objects are bridge, engine, gas stove, CT scanner, microscope, cosmetic, light, camera, flower, TV, flag, lighter, net, and incense. For the last representative organs or body parts, Li could be eyes, heart, and blood. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's content, and I will continue to see you in the next one. Bye!